In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an MLA format paper in Google Docs. We'll walk through everything you need so that your document meets standard MLA guidelines, which are commonly required in high school and college English classes. Open a new blank document in Google Docs so you can follow along as we go. First, let's set up the basic page formatting. At the top of your screen, go to the File menu and click on Page Setup. In the window that appears, make sure the paper size is set to letter, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. Confirm that all four margins, top, bottom, left, and right, are set to 1 inch. If any of them are different, change them to 1. Then click OK to apply those settings. Next, we'll choose the correct font and line spacing. Click anywhere in the document, then go to the Font drop-down menu on the toolbar. MLA typically uses a readable serif font like Times New Roman, size 12. Select Times New Roman. Then change the font size to 12 if it's not already. Now we'll set the line spacing. Go to the Format menu, hover over Line and Paragraph Spacing, and choose Double. This makes your entire document double-spaced, which is required in MLA format. Now let's create the running header with your last name and page number. Go to the Insert menu, then Header and Page Number, and choose Header. Your cursor should jump to the top margin area. With the header active, go back to Insert, choose Page Numbers, and select the option that places page numbers in the top right on every page. Click to place the page number, then type a space before it, and add your last name in front of the number. Make sure the header font matches the rest of your document. Times New Roman, size 12. When you're done, click anywhere in the main body of the document to exit the header. Now we'll format the first page. In the upper left corner of the first page, type your first and last name on the first line. Press Enter, then type your instructor's name on the next line. Press Enter again and type the course name. Press Enter once more and type the date in MLA-style, which is day, month, and year without commas, like 10th of February 2026. All of this information should be left aligned and double-spaced. After the date, press Enter again. Now center the text using the Alignment button on the toolbar. Type your paper's title, Ian's, using standard capitalization, not all caps or bold. Press Enter once more, then switch back to left alignment. Press Tab one time to indent the first line of your paragraph, and you're ready to begin typing your essay in proper MLA format in Google Docs.